Hi, I'm Louisa Sijabat, a liquidator and bankruptcy trustee. So today's question is, my company might need to go into liquidation. During COVID, it took out one of those loans that's guaranteed 50% by the Commonwealth Government of Australia. If it goes into liquidation, what happens to that loan? Does the Commonwealth of Australia come after me as the director of the company if the loan's unpaid? So, ultimately, what will happen in relation to the loan depends on the terms and conditions of the specific loan that that company's taken out. There are variations between loans that we've heard about and seen in relation to those terms and conditions. So that would be the ultimate answer, to check those terms and conditions. We have though seen a few general things, and I'll comment on those. So, if the company's the borrower, the Commonwealth of Australia will pay its 50% to the bank or the financier who provided the loan in fulfilment of their guarantee, and the company will be liable for the remaining 50%, which will be dealt with in the liquidation of the company. What we have seen some variability is whether the director has or hasn't provided a personal guarantee to this loan. So that's something to check on your specific loan agreement. The follow-on question, which is if the Commonwealth of Australia has paid out 50% of the loan, do they then turn around and chase the director or somebody else for payment? Now about this, we're not too sure at this stage because we haven't seen too many of these come across, or at least my desk, to know exactly what happens. The early indications are that it doesn't seem that the Commonwealth of Australia is pursuing directors or any other party for the guaranteed part that the Commonwealth is paying out. However, if you have any further news or have heard or seen anything differently, I'd be super keen to know, so please let me know.